डॉक्टर योगेंद्र पटेल जी कंडक्ट करेंगे। एंड आई होप आप सब अपना घरों में हैं, अभी सब ठीक हैं, एंड यू ऑल आर लिसनिंग टू मी एंड यू आर फॉलोइंग आवर एडवाइस, एंड अब सब घर में अपना ठीक से चल रहे हैं। सो जस्ट थोड़ा सा एक आपको मैं बता देता हूँ कि डॉक्टर योगेंद्र जी is the senior executive therapist currently at Zioactive, and उनका जो area of expertise है that has been in sports injury, kinesiotaping, joint mobilization, and pilots training and IASTM. So that is quite a bit of knowledge that they that he brings to the table, and also good communication skills in patient counseling, एंड काफी मतलब नी और स्पाइन से रिलेटेड जो पेशेंट्स होते हैं उनका जिस तरह से भी काउंसलिंग होता है, पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव केयर होता है, उसमें डॉक्टर योगेंद्र इज क्वाइट द एक्सपर्ट। तो आज का जो हमारा हमने मेन एक टॉपिक डिसाइड किया था टू कवर अप, दैट वाज लोअर एक्सट्रीमिटी। सो अभी यहाँ से सेशन अब आई विल बी हैंडिंग ओवर टू डॉक्टर योगेंद्र। सो योगेंद्र जी, very good morning to you, and you may please proceed with the session. All the best.
Okay, thank you, people. Hello, good morning. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, Doctor.
Everyone can hear me clearly. Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible
Yes.
to all of you? Yes, yes. Great. What dynamic years, the energetic years coming from one person. Thank you very much. So, yes, I can see some people very nicely sitting for ready for the exercise, which is very good right now in this quarantine period. So, how is this quarantine period going on with you, sir and ma'am? Everyone is at home, घरों में है, आराम कर रहे हैं।
हाँ जी,
आराम से। हाँ जी। और कुछ एक्सरसाइज चल रहा है, जिस तरह का डायरेक्शन मिल रहा है हमें कि वहाँ के डॉक्टर अनुराग से और फिजियो से और भी डॉक्टर से, आई होप कि वो डायरेक्शंस आप लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं घर पे बैठे बैठे। Maybe yes. Okay, so let's start today's session with some lower extremity. आज हम कुछ पैरों के एक्सरसाइज के बारे में बात करेंगे बिकॉज स्टाइल में है, एक लिमिटेड एक्टिविटी चल रही है, बस घर में हम लोग घूम रहे हैं, घर के अंदर ही रह रहे हैं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा सीढ़ियां चढ़ सकते हैं, घूम सकते हैं, बस। आने वाले 15 दिन में और तो इससे हम लोग ओवरकम करवाना चाहते हैं हमारे सभी सीनियर पीपल्स को, एल्डर पीपल्स को। सो वी ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट सम मोबिलिटी exercises for lower limb, especially in a very safer zone to prevent any pain, to prevent any stiffness, and increase the hidden mobility which we have, which we are not using right now. Okay? तो ये सेशन थोड़ा सा आपको ये एक्टिव रहेगा। मैं चाहूंगा, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप लोगों से कि इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करें, इसको परफॉर्म करके देखें। अगर कोई इशू होता है, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है या किसी भी तरह की क्वेरी आती है, किसी भी तरह के डाउट्स आते हैं, प्लीज आप मुझसे सेशन के एंड में पूछ सकते हैं। ओके, सो लेग्स आर बेसिकली स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम आवर वेस्ट। ओके, तो मैं चाहूंगा कि इस तरह की एक चेयर आपके पास हो या आप जहां बैठे हैं उसका एक सपोर्ट ले सके। और हम थोड़ी सा एक्टिवली बात करें क्योंकि बैठे बैठे तो पूरा दिन निकल जाता है। सुबह उठ के मोबाइल चेक करेंगे, टीवी देखेंगे, तो रामायण भी आगे, तो रामायण भी देख रहा है 1 घंटा, उसके बाद फिर क्या, कुछ नहीं। So let's this 1 hour to be active part of the day, and I hope if you can use this session for your whole day, it can be more and more beneficial. Thank you very much, people. Thank you very much. I can see many people are starting standing. That is very good for me. Very nice. Just standing and have a very strong base. Slippers, footwear आप यूज कर सकते हैं। एक चेयर का सपोर्ट ले लीजिए, आसपास सपोर्ट होना चाहिए, कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं होना चाहिए जो आपके मूवमेंट में एक्सरसाइज में रिस्ट्रिक्शन क्रिएट करें। वाओ, वेरी नाइस, गुड। सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विथ हैविंग योर हैंड ऑन योर वेस्ट। सब लोग अपने हाथ अपने कमर पर रखेंगे एंड जस्ट स्लाइटली साइड मूवमेंट, स्टार्ट सम साइड मूवमेंट। अगर आपको किसी भी तरह का पेन है, किसी भी तरह की स्टिफनेस है, किसी भी तरह का रिस्ट्रिक्शन फील हो रहा है, तो बिल्कुल स्लोली स्लोली स्टार्ट करेंगे। ओके, जस्ट स्टार्ट स्लो साइड फ्लेक्शन। वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। बिल्कुल स्लोली स्लोली हम 10 टाइम्स ईच साइड जाएंगे। 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Great. Thank you. Now, आप नहीं रहे, हम शुरू करेंगे थोड़ा सा रोटेशन, ताकि बैक इस स्ट्रेंथ को इंक्रीज करते हैं। जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग हमारे लेग्स होंगे उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग हमारी बैक होगी। एक ही चीज से स्ट्रेंथनिंग से बॉडी बैलेंस नहीं हो सकती। सो वी नीड टू बैलेंस आवर बॉडी एंड सिंक्रोनाइज आवर बैक एंड कोर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द लेग्स। ओके, तो अभी हमने साइड फ्लेक्शन किया था, अब हम रोटेशन करेंगे। अगेन हैंड्स ऑन योर वेस्ट, hands on your waist, take a deep breath in, breathe out, and then आराम से with your lower back, swing with your own mobility, swing with your good strength, just rotation होगा। अगर मैं साइड से दिखाऊं आपको तो बस ये हल्का हल्का रोटेशन करना शुरू करेंगे, ताकि आप अपने लेग्स और अपने बैक को एक साथ यूज कर सकें, पैरों के साथ अपने कमर को सिंक कर सकें। कंटिन्यू प्लीज अभी करेंगे, चलिए मेरे साथ करिए। ये रोटेशन आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा। दिन भर हम बैठे रहते हैं सोफे पे, चेयर पे, बेड पे बैठ के टीवी देखना, मोबाइल चलाना, लेग्स और बैक दोनों एक साथ जाम हो जाती है, फिर खड़े होने में दिक्कत होती है, घुटने जाम होते हैं, कमर जाम होती है। तो एक साथ सभी चीजों को हम सिंक्रोनाइज करना चाहेंगे। ओके, नाउ स्टॉप। अभी तक कोई प्रॉब्लम किसी को? Everyone is enjoying this exercise, little just a kind of warm up. Am I? चलिए, now take a support of chair. एक हाथ का सपोर्ट चेयर पे रखेंगे, कोई सा भी। If you start from the right side, you can start from the right side. Right hand on the chair. और अगर आपने चेयर सामने रख रखी है तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं, दोनों हाथों को चेयर पे रखेंगे and just I want to show you this exercise. Just lift your knee up and down very slowly 10 times. Everyone start. Right knee up and down. जितना रेंज उठा सकते हैं, जितना रेंज आप डेवलप कर सकते हैं, जितना बेनिफिट लेना चाहें ले सकते हैं। वेरी स्लोली टेक अ फुल सपोर्ट ऑफ चेयर, नो इश्यूज। वेरी स्लोली knee up and down. Movement at the hip joint, the very important for every person. The center of the body, divide the half body up and half body down. So this joint need to be free. This right joint need to be very mobile. Up and down and stop. Now the left leg equal करेंगे हम। मैंने काउंट किया था, अब मैं आपके साथ काउंट करूंगा। 1, come on 10 times, 2, 3, 4, साथ में करेंगे 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. गुड। अगर आप लोगों ने मेरे साथ किया है तो आप लोग भी मेरे साथ अच्छा खासा वार्म हो गए होंगे। So that we can discuss, we can add other exercise of the joints, all the joints, knee, ankle and all these things.
देखने से एक्सरसाइज थोड़ी हो जाएगी।
देखने से एक्सरसाइज नहीं हो पा रही है? Hello. If anybody feels difficulty in seeing the picture, not understanding the exercise, then ask in between them.
No, sir, everything is fine. Everyone is on mute.
with little exercise of the back and hip joint. The basic component of body जिसकी वजह से हमारी बॉडी बैलेंस होती है, हमारी बॉडी चलती है, हमारी बॉडी को स्टेबिलिटी मिलती है. इसलिए हमने पहले हमारा बैक मोबिलाइज किया और हल्का सा यूज करते हुए रोटेशन किया था. नाउ हिप जॉइंट किया था. नाउ वी फोकसिंग ऑन द नी जॉइंट, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जॉइंट. अभी वार्म अप ही चल रहा है, मैं फिर बता देता हूँ, क्योंकि आई वांट टू इंश्योर द स्टेबिलिटी फर्स्ट देन द स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, अभी हमने नी ऊपर किया था हिप के साथ. अब हम चेयर का सपोर्ट लेंगे, अगेंस्ट द चेयर जाएंगे एंड स्लोली स्लोली हाफ बैठेंगे और फिर ऊपर उठेंगे. इट इज कॉल्ड अ मिनी स्क्वाट. We have to do little mini squat. Just take a support of chair, complete balance on the chair, full stability, and just little bend and straight. Come on, do 10 times. 1, 2, very good. 3, very good. 4, very good. And 5. That's all. 5 times. This is a weight bearing exercise. This is a weight bearing exercise. इसी बीच में थोड़ा सा रिलैक्सेशन हो जाएगा. Old age में after 45, if we do maximum weight bearing exercise, then add more benefit in the joint, because the muscles which we need all the time in all the activities. Okay, weight bearing exercise increase more effort from the ligaments. The ligaments, the major component which get in the stiffness in this age, which creating many difficulties for the joints, and which is the first component which restricted the mobility. So weight bearing exercises having more and more benefit than the non-weight bearing exercise. Okay, so after the hip, after the knee, we have to go to the last joint, the ankle joint. Okay, now again with the chair support. I'm using my chair, I'm using this support because I have to do my exercise with good support, good balance, good stability, and I have to use my all the joints equally. Now, अगर आपको विजन क्लियर है तो अब हम सिर्फ दोनों पैरों पे खड़े होके अपने एड़ी ऊपर उठाएंगे और एड़ी नीचे करेंगे. Again, stand against the chair, having good support. Start heel raise. Just do heel raise. Heel up and heel down. Come on, start with me. Only for 5 times. First for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is a simple warm up I have done with you all people about your ankle, about your knee, about your hip. Now sit down. अब आप सब लोग बैठिए चेयर पे. वेरी गुड. आराम से बैठेंगे सब लोग चेयर पे. फर्स्ट सेटल डाउन. थैंक यू. थक तो नहीं गए आप लोग? नो? ओके. So this is first our hip joint. This is the hip joint, which is very important for all of you to understand that what is going on around the joint and why this is important. I hope you can see this joint. Is it visible to all of you? Yes. This joint is the basic joint and the big joint of your body, which divide the balancing equilibrium, which divide the body in 2 segments, which help you to increase your mobility and which help you to gain more and more stability. Okay. I hope you have seen all this thing. Anybody has any pain around the hip joint when sit to stand, when उठ के बैठते हैं, जब किसी को हिप में कुछ फील होता है कि यार जकड़न है, पा रहे हैं या बहुत आगे झुकना पड़ता है. ओके. if you feel any stiffness in your joint when you sit to stand, it is just starting from your hip. Okay, हम बहुत आगे झुकते हैं, फिर धीरे से खड़े होने की कोशिश करते हैं, घुटनों पे हाथ रहता है, and then we stand. This is because the tightness in your groin muscles and your hip muscles. Okay, that hip muscles need to be straight, need to be stretched. तो अभी बैठे बैठे अगर रेस्ट हो गया हो तो अब हम स्पेशली हिप जॉइंट की स्ट्रेचिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो टाइट, कम ऑन, रेस्ट हो गया. नाउ स्टार्ट स्ट्रेचिंग योर के जाएंगे, एड़ी टच रहेगी और स्ट्रेच होने देंगे. गुड, कम बैक. ओके, यह सब ना आप लोगों ने, I can see many people is joining us. The people who join us right now, a very good morning to all of you. Again, I repeat this exercise. Just again, start with the same exercise with the opposite leg. Left leg पीछे और आगे. Come on, पीछे आगे. Your front, guys. Just join me and do this 10 times. Take your leg back and front, back and front. Remember, spine straight होनी चाहिए, core engage होना चाहिए, and you should just move it very easily, freely in your available range of motion. जितनी आपकी रेंज है आप उसमें कर सकते हैं, but try to push yourself and go back as much as possible. Come on, do it 10. Six, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Great. क्या आप लोगों ने? Yes, I can see. Very good. तो मैंने अभी लेफ्ट साइड का किया था, अब राइट का करूंगा because I also want to balance my body. Okay? तो अब अगर मैंने चेयर यहाँ शिफ्ट कर लिया, just to make your visibility, I just want to show you. That's why I move your chair. आप लोग मूव मत करिए. Just now, opposite leg. Start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Engage your core. 5. Back straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अगर एक्सरसाइज करते समय आपको मिड लोअर बैक, जस्ट लोअर है because of the stiffness, it is just a example, just a big clearance about your spine that yes, your lower spine is little bit stiff because this is a hip mobility exercise, but this exercise explains many things about your lower spine. Okay, so don't worry, अभी आगे हम उससे और भी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे जिसमें एरिया ओपन होगा. अभी तक कोई थका तो नहीं? I hope everyone is enjoying this exercise. It is a dynamic session. More active, more mobility based plan, so that कि आज हम थोड़ी सी एक्सरसाइज करें. Okay? और इस एक्सरसाइज को अगर आप रेगुलरली फॉलो करेंगे तो I feel that you will not feel any stiffness throughout the day and you feel more free and more easy on your lower limbs, the legs part. तो हमने अभी एक पार्ट किया हिप का, अब हम दूसरा पार्ट करेंगे. ये एक्सरसाइज सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है आपके बैलेंस मेंटेन करने के लिए. जब हम चलते हैं तो क्यों शिफ्ट होते हैं? बिकॉज हमारी ग्लूट्स वीक होती है, ग्लूट्स के साथ साथ कोर वीक होती है और हिप की जो स्टिफनेस है वो बहुत ज्यादा होती है, जो हमें अलाउ नहीं करती चलना। इसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए लेंगे आप और लेग को बाहर निकालेंगे लाइक दिस। ओके, अगेन टेक अ फुल सपोर्ट ऑफ चेयर and just take your leg out. Very good. Do it 10 times with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. This is only 5 times. Because इसमें प्रिकॉशंस बताना मैं चाहूंगा, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज है। अगर मैं साइड से देख रहा हूं तो हम लोग पीछे नहीं झुकेंगे, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, और ऐसे नहीं जाएंगे। नो, नो बेंडिंग फॉरवर्ड, ओके, नो साइड बेंडिंग, जस्ट रिलैक्स एंड टेक योर लेग आउट। अगर मैं स्ट्रेट दिखाऊं, साइड में नहीं झुकना है, बिल्कुल सीधे रहेंगे, बिल्कुल सीधे। टेक अ फुल सपोर्ट ऑफ चेयर एंड टेक योर लेग आउट। Okay, now do it for the opposite side also. I am moving my chair to show you this exercise. आप लोग वही खड़े खड़े दूसरा पैर स्टार्ट करेंगे। स्टार्ट फॉर द अपोजिट साइड। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done? Very good. So this is for your side glute. This is especially for your side glute. To activate the side muscles, to increase the mobility around your hip joint and use your hip joint all the mobility on your lower back. Okay, because this movement use your abdomen also. This movement use your complete hip joint out of the box. Means there is a, this is called pelvis box, and hip joint is moving out of this box and again come to the center body. This exercise also help you to increase the straightening of your body. Okay, how it can increase the straightening? Because walking में अगर हम bend हैं, you can see from the side, if I'm bending like this, I can straighten myself and then use my joint properly. Okay, so we have done 2 exercises for the hip. One is taking our leg back, one, and second, taking our leg out. Okay, done. Now the third exercise with respect to the knee joint and hip joint, very important. इस एक्सरसाइज को आराम से देख लीजिए, बिकॉज दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज विच इज रिक्वायर्ड इन दिस स्टेज। हम जमीन पे उठ के बैठ नहीं सकते हैं, अभी हम चेयर पे उठ के बैठते हैं। अगर ज्यादा लो सोफा हो जाए, थोड़ी सा नीचे सोफा हो, तो उससे उठ के बैठने में दिक्कत आती है। अगर थोड़ी हाई सीटिंग में बैठे रह जाए तो बैलेंस बनाने में दिक्कत आती है, कई बार कार से बाहर निकलने में दिक्कत आती है। तो नाउ गाइस, दिस एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू इंक्रीज योर मोबिलिटी अकॉर्डिंग टू द एरिया ऑफ योर सिटिंग। Just what I need to ask first is to take a good stare. Again, mirror around you. Lift your hip and take it out. Take it in and come back. Clear है? बहुत simple है. Lift your knee up, take it out and take in and come back. आप चेयर का पूरा सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं। अगर मैं चेयर की तरफ घूम जाता हूं तो मैं पूरा चेयर का सपोर्ट लेता हूं, घुटना ऊपर उठाया, साइड से भी कर सकते हैं, सामने खड़े होकर भी कर सकते हैं। जस्ट इमेजिन आप कार से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और पैर रख रहे हैं, फिर अंदर ला रहे हैं और पैर रख रहे हैं। गो ऑन, चलिए, एयर में नहीं, हमने फिर वेट बेरिंग एक्सरसाइज का प्रेफरेंस लिया था तो हम वही करेंगे। टेकिंग योर लेग अप, आउट, डाउन, अप, इन। इन साइड व्यू, टेक योर लेग अप, come on, do it for 5 times. Up, yes, great. Out, touch the ground, again up, in. इसमें कंप्लीट हिप मूवमेंट हो रहा है, अप, आउट, touch the ground, in. Come on, people. Very good. I'm very happy to see this exercise. One of the members doing very nicely. Great, great, very good. Up, out, up, in. Getting out of the car, up, out. Getting inside the car, up, in. Up, out, up, in. At least 5 times. 5 टाइम करेंगे तभी कुछ अच्छी मोबिलिटी, अच्छी बर्निंग स्टार्ट होगी. यस, कि कुछ मसल्स हमारी काम कर रही हैं आज. कम ऑन, अप, इन. 5 टाइम ईच. 5 टाइम करिए. मैं देख सकता हूँ सब लोगों को. आई कैन काउंट. Few people are doing it. Very good. Up, out, down, up, in. Great. Now relax. Great. आपको फील हो रहा होगा कि कुछ अच्छा खासा एक्टिविटी हुआ है in around your groin, around the side of the hip, around your side of the glutes and in your back. If these kind of feel is there, that means आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज करी है. आपने अपने हिप जॉइंट को पूरी तरह से यूज किया है. आपका हिप बहुत अच्छा है, बस उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है मूवमेंट की. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू दिस, डोंट वरी, इट्स जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ इट्स फिटनेस. ओके, हम अभी इसके लिए भी और मोडिफिकेशन करेंगे, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट फ्यू पीपल हैव डन दिस वेरी नाइसली. ग्रेट. अगर आपको इसमें बैक पेन हो रहा है या आपको हल्का सा बैक में फील हो रहा है, तो चलिए हम एक थोड़ा सा रेस्ट लेते हैं और थोड़ी देर बैठेंगे. कम ऑन, sit down on the chair. Good. On in the very good, taking the fresh air and doing the exercise. Some people are doing inside the room, which is also very good in their own world. Great. Now, just relax. Just relax. अब जो next part है weight bearing का, हमने hip पे बहुत काम किया है. Now we have to start doing something for our knee joint, the most important joint of your lower limb. Knee joint is also called the second brain of body. Do you know this? To us being in physio, we know that yes, the knee joint is the second brain of body because it decides maximum movement, maximum mobility for your ankle and your hip. You can feel the ground that it is irregular, it is plain, it is slopey, it incline or decline just because of the knee joint. Okay, if you have a pain in your knee joint, it can lead to the stiffness in the spine. If you have pain in your knee joint, the second brain of body. Okay, and this is the one of the joint having most strongest ligament support. I can show you, and I want to show you that how the knee joint is working for us and why the knee joint is very important in terms of physio. Because maximum thing हम लोग देखते हैं हमारे क्लिनिक में, हमारे प्रैक्टिस में, कि जितने भी cases, this is your knee joint. You can see people, this is the knee joint, the healthy knee joint. Lower bone, tibia, the fibula, the 3-4 bones completely making this joint, the knee. And this is the another joint is having multiple joints in between them. That small kneecap, we call it patella. So you can see the side bands, दो thread जो साइड में दिख रहे हैं, ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट लिगामेंट्स हैं आपके, कोलेटरल लिगामेंट्स, और एक बीच में क्रिस क्रॉस लिगामेंट दिख रहा है, ये सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट लिगामेंट है ये, ट्विस्टेड लिगामेंट्स. So this is the good picture of okay. Yes, so the knee joint is very important. Now रेस्ट भी हो गया आप लोग का. अब आप लोग सिंपल दोनों हाथ, can show me both hands, come on, hands up. Yes, just little warm up your hands, come on, just warm up your hands, rotate your wrist, make a fist and rotate your wrist clockwise. Very good, very good. I can see one auntie is regularly and seriously doing all the exercise. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, ma'am. And then clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now, why I'm doing this exercise? Because I'm using my hand on my knee and taking a support and getting up and down. Come on. Sit-ups करेंगे हम लोग अब. Mini squats with the chair. No, not with the standing. Just okay. Now just straight your knee joint and bend. Straight your knee joint and bend. Come on. Straight. Just straight by sitting. Sitting comfortably on your chair and just straighten your knee joint. You can feel some tightness, some stretch in your back of the thigh. This is a good signature. This is a good sign. That means you're opening your leg. Come on, join me. Come on, join me. Start. Only 5 times for each side. First with the left leg, because this is clearly visible for you. Straight to a joint. Try to make it as much as straight. Feel the stretch behind the leg and down. Right leg up and down. You can point your ankle down. You can point your ankle up, depending upon your flexibility, but straight your knee joint. 2, 3. You can take a chair support, no issue, or you can sit straight. It just depends. 4, 5, and 5. Done. If you want to increase your movement, if you want to increase your repetition, you will increase it. Because as much as straightening can increase the stretchability or the flexibility of your hamstring, as well as increase the mobility of your joint, which I show you that free mobility honi chahiye. Okay. Now, after your knee, the last part, the last joint of your lower limb is your ankle. You can see now I can turn my chair, or I can turn to a side so that I can show you the ankle mobility. Just take your leg up and make a round of your ankle. Come on. Clockwise. Come on. जितना उठा सकते हैं अपना पैर उठाइए, घुटना सीधा करिए और एंकल को रोटेट करना है. Clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Come on. Very good. I start with my left because it is easy to see, easy to show you. And down. Now with the right leg, ankle rotate clockwise. Feel the stretch in your front of the leg. You can feel some muscles that are working. You can feel some mobility. And then anti-clockwise. अगर आवाज आ रही है joints की, don't worry. It is just a common opening of your joints, just like a great. Again, it's quite relaxing. So this is a simple mobility for your hip, for your knee, for your ankle. And that single exercise, I again request you, that single exercise only to take a support of your hand on your knee, bend little forward and stand up. Very important for your knee joint, for your hip joint. That single exercise can add all 3 joints in one mobility, one mobilization, and also use your all the muscles from the toe, knee, hip and back. Very important. अगर आप सब नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ ये जरूर करिएगा, आराम से सपोर्ट लेके फिर बैठना है, उठना है, and take a good support of your hands on your knee joint. This is the simple mobility exercise which I show you, which I want to explain you for your whole lower limb, for your whole lower mobility, lower mobilized joints and all this. If you have any query, if you want to ask any question, you can ask me. All this exercise you can do in one stretch. Don't go for 10, 20, 15 times, only 5 times, very slowly, easily, with a good chair support. A chair is very important component in this exercise because we want to do exercise in a very safe way. Yes, Any questions, any doubt anybody asked me? Any queries? I hope I just given you some good session because we have good time. We have little good time in our session. No questions, no doubt. Okay.
Good morning, doctor.
Yes.
Can I ask you one question, please?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
We have learned so many exercises. Now,
Okay.
how we will start the exercise with warming and warming up, and then what will be the sequence of the exercises so that we get the maximum benefit out of it?
Okay, great question. Thank you very much, ma'am. It's really a very good question because it's a question like a safe zone required for the joint. So, ma'am, I start my session with the warm up, and I requesting my all the patients that first just stand against the chair. I request you to take the chair, a good strong chair, which is not slippery. Table and should have very strong joints. So just chair के side में खड़े होके या सब starting this exercise and using our legs, and legs always need balance from the spine. And spine always need to be controlled by legs. This is the theory for the spine and leg relationship. Okay, so I request them to do some side flexion, some side rotation, just increase to wake up the spine, to say good morning to the spine, and with respect to spine, the legs. This is the kind of starting warm up, and then we start warm up. Just slowly lift, which use all the muscles of your core, your back, your hip, your knee, and your ankle. It's a kind of warm up for your lower limb and back. And then we start with some hip flexion, starting from the front muscle, then hip extension, back muscles, and then side abduction, side muscle. This is about my hip joint. And one very basic mobility, knee lift out, touch the ground, knee lift in and touch the ground. This movement is very important in sitting, sit to stand, getting inside and outside the car, sitting from the low sofa and sitting from a high chair. So just knee lift out, touch the ground, knee lift in. After your hip exercise, I use some knee exercise, just mini squat, okay, and taking the support of my chair, I request and getting up, use complete use of wrist, take a support of your whole body, bending forward, getting up straight and sit down. A very strong exercise for the knee muscles and the structure around the knee joint and the kneecap. After this, straightening of your knee. This is not only for the front muscles, for the back also, to increase some flexibility. Because these muscles are very tight throughout the day of sitting, throughout the sitting working, in any people, any kind of age, any kind of people, because people who doing working on the laptop, people working on the computer, or people sitting and watching TV, they need to straighten their back of the knee muscle. After this, I add some ankle mobility. You can see inside the clockwise movement and anti-clockwise movement, up and down. Up and down we already done, so I have not added, but clockwise movement is part of your lower limb exercise. Am I clear? I hope I clear about this part, this sequence of movement. Am I clear, ma'am?
Yeah.
Thank you. And I request you to please do this exercise with a good chair support. Okay? These are not a very advanced, very heavy, very complicated exercise. Very simple movement. But we are not doing this movement because it's just a kind of little exercise. तो हम करते हैं. but I feel some sweating. Maybe this is some because of the conversation, but yes, this exercise increase the pumping of your leg muscles, which directly increasing your spine mobility and your upper body strengthening also. Because you're using the chair, using the knee joint support, straightening your body and doing all this movement. So lower limb mobility, lower limb exercise increase the mobility of whole body and add some more free. और कोई क्वेश्चन और किसी का किसी तरह का डाउट, I would like to talk with you because it's very good platform to all of us.
Doctor, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you
please.
hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Doctor, I just want to know, the doctors advise you some painkillers.
Sir.
And from your side, the exercises are important. No, should the painkiller be taken, or we should be able to resort to exercise even if there is some pain or something?
Okay, so it depends upon your pain, that how much you have pain in your body. See.
No, pain, maybe it's like pain. My point is only whether exercise should be able to take care of the pain or the painkiller must be taken.
The basic funda in physiotherapy in all exercise is that if the exercise increase your pain, then don't do this. If exercise decrease your pain, then please do this. Okay? किसी भी exercise में अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका pain बढ़ रहा है, either check your exercise with your physiotherapist that are you doing with the right position or in the right angle. If this exercise is decreasing your pain, then I request you please do this as much as possible and as maximum repetition. Because exercise this is only for little time period. Okay? Am I clear, sir? If you feel that this exercise is helping you to reduce the pain, please continue with this exercise. Don't worry. If this exercise increase your pain after some time, then you need to check the position, you need to check the angle of movement, and then you can correct it. Because exercise is very important, the basic requirement of every joint and muscles in the body.
How important is the painkiller?
Painkiller is just a requirement of time period, sir.
Right.
Just a requirement of time period. Okay, if you have a
because we keep hearing every now and then one should try to avoid
one week
taking
or 2 days, don't take it.
But whenever the orthopedic see you, he all the time the very first thing he will tell you to take a painkiller. But when you go the other side, they say painkiller should be avoided. So we are really at
the confusion. I can agree. I can understand your confusion, sir. But we know very good orthopedic surgeons and doctors. They are now starting suggesting the exercise because they know because the requirement of body is same for everyone, whether it is 10 or 90-year-old. So medicine is just for time period and nothing else. Okay, anybody else? Any question, any doubt? I'm very happy to interact with you all because मैं कुछ और नए लोगों से मिल रहा हूँ इस क्वारंटाइन पीरियड में इमोहा के थ्रू and thank you very much Dr. Anurag and Imuha so that I can interact with new people in this period of time. So I'm not feeling locked in my home because yes, I can join many people around the single screen. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. And just ping us message and go with the principles that we given today, the exercise we given today. This exercise can definitely increase your mobility for your strength. Any other doubt, any question? Okay, the people are sitting. Just sit straight. I can see few people are sitting bending forward. So be straight on the chair. That can be again the other part of the posture management and spine management. But right now, I can't avoid this wrong posture. So be straight on the spine. Be straight on the chair. We can discuss this on other class, but today is only lower limb, the lower extremities. So I hope it is good for us. This is a good session.
So
lunch today, take a rest, good rest. Yes.
So thank you very much, Dr. Yogender, for your time and sharing your knowledge with all of us. And आज का session I will conclude with this. So I really hope कि Dr. Yogender जी ने जो भी एक्सरसाइज हमें बताई हैं, हमारा अपनी नॉलेज जो हमारे साथ शेयर करी है, इसके थ्रू कहीं ना कहीं पे हम अपना लोअर एक्सट्रीमिटी पे अच्छे से वर्क कर पाएंगे एंड जो एक अपना मोबिलिटी को मेंटेन करने का जो चैलेंज दैट वी फेस every day while we are at home, that could be resolved with this. So this session I'll conclude with just यही कि अपना आप घर पे रहिए, आप सेफ रहिए एंड अपने आप को जितना हो सकता है एक्टिव रखिए and everyone please just take care and tomorrow at 8 a.m. I'll see you all again. Please stay fit and stay happy. So and take care everyone. So bye.
Thank you, Dr. Arurag.
Thank you, Dr. Yogender. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Everyone, sir. Everyone may have a great day.
Yeah.
Thank you, Doctor.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
वो आया था ना एक बारी बंदा यहाँ पे इमोहा वाला, हाँ तो उनका ना उन्होंने लॉकडाउन पीरियड में तो उन्होंने कोई 3-4 अपने सेशन दे के रखे हुए हैं सुबह के टाइम, ये फिर डॉक्टर, फिर एंटरटेनमेंट का वगैरह जी।